Kick it in the city when we in around town. Next door neighbors telling us that it's too loud now. Can you please just turn that mess down? This is the sound of your opinions on the ground.
Turn it up, I don't think they hear it enough. Back when Jordans and a gold chain was living it up. Up top I had a high top fade with the high tops, watching my highlight take from the skybox. All the news Michigan, home of the palace, the place on the map where Isaiah magic. Throwing elbows, had to break my horn habits with the 8-9 bad boy hammer on my cap. And you know Chuck did it, now the girls get red. Tell them kiss it off the glass or pass or kick it, calling shots from the bench and finger pointing picks. I'm Coach Chuck Daly, aka Daddy Rich. I meant Chuck English, the flicker of the flicks. All net finger roll, Allen Houston off the Vic. Yeah, the pick of the litter with the kicks. Kids knew we kick to who do the cool kids.
Kick it in the city when we in around town. Next door neighbors telling us that it's too loud.